Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install the Sui Wallet extension on your mobile phone. Now, Chrome on mobile doesn't support extensions, so to make this work you'll need to install a browser that does, like Kiwi browser, Mrs. browser or Yandex browser. You can find them on the Play Store. For this video I'll be using Kiwi browser. So first, let's go to Play Store and search for the Kiwi browser. Once you see it, click on the install button and install it. Now here, once it's installed, open the Kiwi browser and here, let's search for the Sui Wallet extension. When the results appear, tap on the official link provided. Here you'll see an option called Add to Desktop. Here, once you see it, here, tap on Add to Desktop button and it will automatically download and install the extension. Once that's done, it will open the Sui Wallet page here. From here, you can either create a new wallet or import an existing one, and that's how you download the Sui Wallet extension on your mobile phone. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.